What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. So today we're going to do my first turn on and get everything switched over from my Google Pixel 6 Pro to my Google Pixel Fold. So just bear with me. I'm going to cut this on for the first time. I have not yet cut it on. I wanted to get that front screen protector installed before I started loading this bad boy up with all my apps and everything. I was going to transfer everything from my Z Fold 3 over to the Google Pixel Fold, but I said let me, for the sake of this video, use my Google Pixel 6 Pro, and any apps that I'm missing on here, I'll know where they are on here to where I can download them and send them over here. But it would only be right to use another Google device for another Google device for the switch over. So it says, welcome to your Pixel. Device real quick. So pretty much this is the Google Pixel Fold. I know it's already a lot of videos out, but hey, there's none on my channel, so I wanted to get this out there on my channel for my subscribers. And I have all my text messages there. Here's what the settings are. Google settings. You're going to get the exact same settings. Then you open it up and you get access to that Pixel home screen, the like tablet like. And this is nice. I do like the way this looks, you know. It does look nice. But just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll be back again with more coverage of this device. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.